we'll guide you through how to create clothes in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you're in the Layout workspace. To start, you need to have a character model ready. If you don't have one, you can use the default model or import one. Next, switch to the Edit It mode by pressing the Tab key. Now, you want to select the part of the body where the clothing will fit. You can do this by selecting the faces or vertices using the Box Select tool. With your selection made, press Shift+D to duplicate the selection, and then press P to separate by selection. This creates a new object that will serve as your clothing base. Now, switch to Object Mode and select the newly created object. To start shaping the clothing, go to the Modifier tab, and add a Solidify modifier to give the clothing some thickness. Adjust the thickness to your liking. After this, you might want to add a Subsurf modifier to smooth out the edges and make the clothing look more natural. You can adjust the levels in the viewport to see how it looks. Next, switch to Scale mode if you want to add more detail to the clothing like folds or creases. Use the various brushes available to shape your clothing further. Once you're satisfied with the shape, you can go to the Shading tab to add materials and textures. Click on NUW to create a new material, and you can adjust the settings to get the fabric look you want. You can use image textures or procedural textures depending on the effect you desire. Finally, don't forget to UV unwrap your clothing for better texture application. With these steps, you should have a basic piece of clothing ready in Blender. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.